in nature. Written by Russ Booth.
I see a sugar ship. I see a square ship. I see a triangle ship. I see an oval ship. I see a soft ship. I see a spider ship. I see a horse ship. I see a shape.